Hey there, savvy savers. Are you tired of feeling like your hard-earned money is slipping through your fingers? Well, today's video is here to help. We're diving into the world of saving money on everyday expenses, where we'll share practical tips and clever hacks that will leave more cash in your wallet. So, get ready to unlock the secrets of saving. But before we begin, if you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that notification bell so you never miss out on our money-saving content. Now, let's jump right in. Our first money-saving tip revolves around shopping smart. We'll discuss techniques such as comparing prices, using coupons and promo codes, and shopping during sales to make sure you're getting the best deals possible. Visuals of price comparison websites, coupon clipping, and shopping in-store and online. Did you know that planning your meals in advance can save you both time and money? We'll share how to create a meal plan, make a grocery list, and utilize money-saving techniques like buying in bulk, shopping seasonal produce, and using loyalty programs. Host, making small changes in your home can add up to big savings on your energy bills. We'll provide practical tips on how to conserve energy, such as using LED light bulbs, adjusting thermostat settings, and unplugging electronics when not in use. Sometimes, saving money means getting creative and repurposing items you already have. We'll showcase some fun DIY projects and clever repurposing ideas that will not only save you money but also add a personal touch to your living space. Transportation expenses can take a significant chunk out of your budget. We'll explore money-saving techniques like carpooling, using public transportation, biking, or even walking, and discuss the benefits they offer both for your wallet and the environment. Who says having fun has to break the bank? We'll provide tips on enjoying entertainment and leisure activities while keeping your expenses in check. From free local events to streaming services, we'll share various cost-effective ways to enjoy your downtime. Subscription services can quickly add up and drain your budget. In this segment, we'll discuss strategies for evaluating and cutting back on unnecessary subscriptions, negotiating lower prices, or sharing plans with friends and family. Eating out can be expensive, but we have tips to help you indulge in your favorite foods while saving money. We'll explore techniques like meal prepping, brown bagging lunches, and seeking out restaurant deals and discounts. Instead of hiring professionals for every home maintenance or repair task, why not try doing it yourself? We'll share easy-to-follow DIY tutorials for common household repairs, saving you money on labor costs. Don't be afraid to negotiate. In this segment, we'll provide tips on how to negotiate better prices, whether it's for a car, furniture, or services. We'll empower you to confidently ask for a deal and potentially save a significant amount of money. Congratulations, money-saving masters! You've learned some incredible tips and hacks to save money on everyday expenses. Remember, making small changes in your daily routine can have a big impact on your financial well-being. So, put these strategies into action, watch your savings grow, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with being in control of your finances.